Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. So, this week's lesson, Journeys Lesson 22, is the story The Journey Stories of Migration by Cynthia Rylant. So, you're going to read this story after we do this video and we go over the vocab and we go over our spelling words. So, this question of the week this week is, why do animals migrate to other places? Right, and our vocab words are actually super helpful in answering this question. So let's take a look at those. All right, so the first vocab word is migrate. These butterflies fly far away when they migrate or move from place to place. Migrate. Survival. This bluebird flies south for the winter for its survival, or to stay alive. So survival is to stay alive. Number 3, plenty. Some animals don't migrate in winter if they have plenty of food. You don't have to go find food if you already have plenty of food. Number 4, frightening. It is frightening or scary for penguins when leopard seals come nearby. I'm going to zoom in and look at that guy's face. Look at him. He's a little scary, a little frightening. Right, number 5 is accidents. When moose cross busy roads to find food, accidents can happen. When we cross the street and we don't look both ways, accidents can happen. Number 6, solid. It is very hard for animals to find food under snow and solid ice. Solid. Chilly. Polar bears have thick fur to keep them warm in cold, chilly weather. We wear thick jackets to keep us warm in chilly weather. Number 8, landscape. The landscape changes. In spring, grass turns green and flowers bloom. Landscape. Number 9, thunderous. A herd of caribou makes a very loud, thunderous sound as it runs. So, thunderous. And number 10 is dramatic. Salmon swimming upstream to lay eggs is a dramatic or exciting sight. So something that's really big and just kind of in your face and super cool is dramatic. So these are our our vocab words for the week. And these are super important in the story as you learn about migration, and you're going to learn about whales and locusts. So on Wednesday, we're going to compare and contrast the differences between how they migrate. So keep that in mind when you are doing your work for the week. Wednesday, we're going to do comparing and contrasting, and you're going to have to fill out a Venn diagram. So let's very briefly go over our spelling words. So there are 18 spelling words, there are a couple challenge words, and before we really get into it, what do you notice about these words? Cities, cried, puppies, hurried, stories, flies, parties, tried, pennies, fried, carried, babies, spied, ponies, pretty, very, countries, and libraries. After you watch this video, post a note. What do you notice about our spelling words? So what I notice is each word is plural or past tense. So if I have more than one city, we have cities, right? Cities. But if it's singular, we're just one city, C-I-T-Y. So we drop the Y and we add I-E-S. Cried. Well, if cried is past tense, but if you're currently crying or you did cry, cry. Cry. So what we'll have to do, drop the Y and add I-E-D. So right now, every single one of our spelling words has a root word. countries. Country is the singular word of countries. Okay, so you drop the Y and you add IES. Alright everyone, now that you've gone over the spelling and the vocab and you've watched that quick video about migration, go read the story and we'll see you back here tomorrow.